Hello guys, this is Parikshit Agarwal, and today I will be featuring my new project named Viva, which is a peer-to-peer instant messaging application for LED network. This is a kind of introductory part since you already know me, so I am skipping it. So about Viva. Well, Viva project is started in the aim of developing a cross-platform instant chat messaging application for the local LAN network based upon the idea that a user can able to chat irrespective of the underlying architecture, both in terms of hardware and software in his her network. The main objective of this project is to develop a fully chat application that works as an expert system. This system provides an easy to use, faster, efficient, and robust platform for all the users. The other objective of this project is to provide users a cheap, reliable, and convenient way to communicate with each other using computer systems. Viva application has an iterative development lifecycle model and is continuously under development and testing, removing known bugs and loopholes. Secondly, it supports all platforms such as Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. Android version of this application is under development. Coming to the execution part, precompiled binaries are already present for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X. You can grab those from internet and execute them as usual. If you want to build the application from scratch, the source code is also available on the internet. I will briefly describe about the compilation details for Windows platform. You need Qt 5.0 to compile. I built Viva using Qt 5.0, so you probably need that or later version. Please read Qt documentation for more details. The application consists of two projects, Viva and Viva App. Viva App is just an extension of the Qt single application project released by the Qt people. I have added a few functions to support multi-language user interface. The main project is a Viva, which consists of the entire application. I have included the project files for both projects. Extract both folders, make sure the directory hierarchy is maintained. Viva and Viva app should be folders at the same level. Make sure the dependency paths of Viva are set to the correct locations. It depends on Viva app in addition to the standard Qt libraries. The code is identical for all platforms, but there are few differences in the way application is built and run for each platform. Please read the platform specific notes to know more. Note: I used Qt Creator IDE with GCC compiler on all platforms. If you are using any other IDE or compiler and run into any issue, I can only provide generic help. Now, I will briefly demonstrate the working of the application. For demonstration purposes, I have enabled loopback or echo function which shows you as a peer. As you can see here, after launching the application, it already detects the peer on the network. Here, a user Parikshit Agarwal is available for chat, which is me of course. Here you can specify your present status to the users, namely available, busy, away, extended away, and offline. Each status has its own understanding. Available specifies the user is available for chat. Busy specifies the user is available but don't want to be disturbed. Away depicts the user is available but might not be currently enrolled for messaging. Extended away, on the other hand, automatically sets if user is away for a longer period. Offline, as the name suggests, puts the user in offline mode and none of the peers can able to chat with him. You can also specify your own status or subtext by just clicking here and typing your status. It will appear next to the username in the peer list. For entering into chatting session, simply double click the username, a chat window will appear specific to that user. Here you can enter any message you want. For demonstration purposes, let's take this is a test message. You can add similes that goes with this message and finally simply press enter. As soon as you press enter, that message will deliver to the user. Since the user is me only, thus showing outgoing and incoming message on the same screen. On the network, it will show only the outgoing message. You can clearly state that the user is typing now, wait for a while, and he is done typing it. When I press enter, it will be shown on this screen. You can also send files and folders with these options, or you can simply drag and drop the file in this chat window to deliver it. Coming again to the main window under Messenger, are the option for refreshing contacts and setting preferences. This is a preference window containing frequently used settings. Here, you can set your preferences based upon your need and convenience. All the options are self-explanatory, so I'm not going into depth here. If you face any difficulty on any part of this application, feel free to mail me on parikshit.ag@gmail.com or follow me on Twitter at parikshitag to know more. Thank you.